As inflation continues to eat away at the value of your savings, it's more important than ever to know how to invest in hard assets to hedge against inflation in retirement. If you're nearing or already in retirement, you likely know how difficult it can be to watch your hard-earned money lose its purchasing power. But there's good news. There are ways to protect your wealth and ensure it continues to grow despite the economic climate. In this video, we'll walk through some of the most powerful strategies to protect your retirement funds, focusing on one key asset that can provide real security. If you're looking for ways to shield your wealth from inflation, one of the best ways is to invest in hard assets like gold. Why? Because gold has a long history of maintaining value, even when other assets falter. But you don't just want to invest in gold. You want to know the right way to do it to maximize your protection. That's where gold IRAs come in. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, make sure to click the first link in the description for a free guide to understanding gold IRAs. It's a resource that thousands of Americans are using to safeguard their wealth, and it's available to you right now. When we talk about hard assets, we're referring to things like precious metals, real estate, and even certain types of commodities. These are tangible, physical assets that tend to hold value over time, especially when inflation is on the rise. Gold, for example, has been a tried and true hedge against inflation for centuries. As the value of the dollar decreases, the value of gold often rises. This is why so many retirees are moving a portion of their retirement savings into gold IRAs. It's an effective way to keep your wealth growing without worrying about market fluctuations or inflation. But let's not just talk about gold. Let's compare it to other common strategies. Stocks and bonds are often seen as long-term investment options, but their performance is heavily tied to the stock market and economic conditions. During times of high inflation, these traditional investments can lose value quickly. In fact, many retirees have seen their stock portfolios shrink during market downturns. Real estate can be another option, but managing property comes with a lot of responsibility, and it doesn't offer the same level of liquidity or protection as gold. Now, let's talk about how gold IRAs stack up. When you roll over your retirement savings into a gold IRA, you're not just buying physical gold, you're holding it within a tax-advantaged retirement account. This means you can enjoy the benefits of gold's inflation protection while still keeping the tax advantages of an IRA. It's a win-win. And the best part? Gold IRAs offer a level of protection against inflation and economic instability that other assets simply can't match. So if you're thinking about how to invest in hard assets, gold IRAs should be at the top of your list. Not only do they provide inflation protection, but they also offer portfolio diversification and security for the long term. For retirees with $100K or more in their IRA or 401K, or even 5 plus in savings, this is a perfect solution to ensure your wealth is protected and continues to grow in the face of rising inflation. And if you're still not sure if a gold IRA is right for you, that's okay. Take advantage of the free guide I mentioned earlier. It's a comprehensive resource that will walk you through everything you need to know about gold IRAs and how they can help secure your retirement. Just click the first link in the description and get your guide now. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, you'll want to read this guide as soon as possible. Gold IRAs offer unparalleled protection, especially when compared to other investment options. They're easy to set up, offer long-term security, and are a great way to shield your wealth from inflation. So don't wait. Take control of your retirement today and ensure your financial future remains bright.